So what she's trying to do is get her product here in the frequently purchased together. Doing that will get you free money. It is crazily good to do, and you'll be delighted to know there is a very, very cool way of hacking that completely. So you can hack your way into this to make your product there. Usually they offer three, sorry. So you can either get your product there or another one as well. Normally they offer 3 different products, all right? So the question is, how do you do that? You guys want to know that, yeah? You want to know how to get your product there? Yes, all right, cool. Just checking you're still awake, because I know I'm keeping you up late. Does anybody have any clue how you might be able to do that before I show you an easy way of doing it? Anybody got any ideas how you could do that? So what you're trying to do is piggyback this product to get your product onto this frequently purchased together. Any ideas how you might do that? Wolfgang, I love your work, mate. No? Okay. All right, the first thing you're going to need to do is log yourself into the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Facebook group and go and get a URL. So let's just do that. Groups, Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. When you log in, come down to this part here where it says search group and just type in Piggy. Piggy should get you there. There it is. So Piggy will get you to this post here, what Troy put up, asking for something called the piggyback URL. Let's just click on that and open the comments. So here is the piggyback URL. So I'm going to open that up, and you guys can do this, but I'll give you the link now so you can see it, but then you guys can go and do it. All right, so here's the first thing you're going to need, send to all, is the piggyback URL that, that I showed you a few weeks back. So we've hacked that. So second thing you're going to need is you're going to need to understand how that works. So the frequently purchased together is based upon Amazon's own internal algorithm where they look at products that are being purchased together frequently and then offer them as a quasi bundle, okay? As a quasi bundle. So what you want to do is hack that by going to your product category, health, household and baby care, typing in what you're trying to hack into, diapers, and then taking the best selling one, which is this Huggies Little Snuggler. Little Snuggler. So you find the product that's selling the most. Because if you're going to do this, you might as well do it with the best possible product. So get the best selling product, so this one. And now what you're going to do is extremely counterintuitive, and it's going to freak you out a little bit, but stay cool. I'm going to talk you through it and I'll get you there. So what you're going to do is you are going to sell this product for Huggies. In this case, you're going to sell the product for them, okay? Because we already know that loads and loads of people want to buy this product. We know that because it's a bestseller. We already know that they're doing a great job of converting traffic on this page. We already know that because it's the bestseller. And we already know that they're making a lot of money because it's the bestseller. So what we're going to do is we're going to piggyback onto this product to make sales. So the way that you do that is you grab that little ASIN number from there, and then let's go and find some baby wipes. And let's just suppose that Sandra's product is, let's just find something where we can do it, not the Huggies one. Baby Ganix, okay, let's do this one. So Sandra's product is this Baby Ganix one, okay, oops. So I'm going to get the ASIN number from there. I've got the ASIN number from the best-selling product. Let me just come back over and get my ASIN thing. Here it is. So now I want to hack this URL. So you can see here it says ASIN 1. That's going to be our best-selling product. ASIN number 2, that's going to be the product we want to hack into. Hack onto the best-selling product, should I say. So let me quickly put together this URL. All I'm doing is swapping out that, oops, and this. So all I'm doing is swapping out the ASIN numbers for this new one. Okay, that's all I'm doing. And then we're just going to test it. All right, so now I've got a URL, here it is, where I can send people to, send it to all, and that URL will automatically add both products to cart. Okay, so now I'm telling Amazon these products get purchased together all the time. So Amazon, you should start offering them together. And then what you do is you run adverts. You run adverts on Facebook to the right audience, so mums with kids in this instance, and you send them to a page what says, so not on Amazon, on a page, on a website that says, limited time only, get Huggies Little Snuggler baby diapers for just $32.19, and also get our Baby Organics face and hand wipes for just, and you give a discount off that, you'll make it like $5 for instance, just while you're doing this hack. Get them now, and then you send them to here, to that link where they can continue, add them to cart and do it that way. And that's how you game that system. You have to make sales for the other product to get your product linked together, which is counterintuitive, but it really works. Of course, you could become an affiliate for that product if you wanted to, but I don't get you need to do that. I think it's better just to keep it really clean and just do it that way. You don't need to do it very long either, all right? You don't need to do it very long. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.